the challenges many people face when they come to the U.S. is to find a church that gives them a taste of worship close to their motherland. Culture and religion cannot be separated, and it was because of this understanding that Michiana Malawi Seventh-day Adventist Church established a congregation a decade ago with the purpose to minister and serve the Malawians in the Michiana area. The church is not only open to Malawians, but to all cultures. Since it started, the majority of the members have been from Malawi. There are plans to expand the mission of this church so that it can reach many cultures. The congregation started small, but recently the growth has been significant. As a result, the church has realized that time has come to either buy or build their own church.
I am excited. The building committee is excited for the program that is coming next week. Please set aside something for that program, and I want to ask each one of you to pray about it so that we can have a place of our own.
Many of the members agree with the idea to have their own church.
I support the idea that we should build the house of the Lord.
I support the idea of building and having our own church.
I support next week's Buildings Day because it's really important to our church, especially us the youth. We need more space to do our activities.
We need our church.
I support that next week we should come together and raise some money towards the acquiring of our own church.
I support the idea of Malawi Michiana Church having their own church.
Support the idea of having our own church.
I support Building Day because it would be good for us to have our own church.
Benefits of having their own church are very significant when compared to renting a facility.
I will talk on behalf of the ladies. As you can see, our kitchen is so small. We cook every Sabbath. We have potluck every Sabbath, and then it's so small. Like we are not free to do this and that. But if we can have our own church, we'll make sure that we have a big kitchen where we can be free to cook and do whatever we want.
It's a good idea to have our own church because we have enough space to do our programs.
The building committee invites all members, Malawians, friends, and other people living in the USA to come and help in raising funds for the project this coming Sabbath, March 11, 2017.
Next week when we're coming, come in large numbers so that we can support this activity of building a house for the Lord.
Give and give and give for us to grow.
Inviting you, friends, come over and support us. We need to have our own church.
Even people outside our church, from other communities, or from our church itself, also assistance.
We can bring money, we can bring our checks, we can bring things that will be used to support the building of the church.
The program starts at 9:30 a.m. There will be wonderful singing by their own groups. Sermonette by Ps.Victor Khaula entitled Saved to Serve, Unmerited and Unprecedented Favor. Immediately after the service, a Malawian traditional potluck will be served. You cannot afford to miss this important occasion. In case you are unfamiliar with the Michiana Malawi Seventh-day Adventist Church, here is the address: 1819 Oak Street, Niles, Michigan 49120. You can also write a check to Malawi Church and send it to the same address. May God bless you abundantly as you plan to be a part of this church building endeavor. Thank you for your support of this project.